Hey guys, how's it going? Larry here. Sorry you guys can't see my face too good, but move this guy over. I got some new things in for my wife's AR build. I live in Des Moines, Iowa, and found out Brownells is in Grinnell, Iowa. So stopped by there and got a couple of things for the wife. Okay, for starters, I got her a nickel boron bolt carrier group. I guess it's made by WMD Guns, but I never heard of them. But I figured since I was there, I would go ahead and stop in and see what they've got. And they had it on sale, so I figured I'd get it. And then I've got the got her the Raptor, what is it, ambidextrous charging handle. And then I got her a small clip, or I'm sorry, magazine. It's not a clip. People frown on the word clip. They say it's something that goes in a woman's hair. But anyway, I also got her at the gun show last week, a brand new scope. It's called Osprey Global. And supposedly it's the Signature Series 1. I don't know what that means, but oops, I dropped something here and I don't know what the heck it was. There it is. Okay. Apparently I dropped this little knob that twists on here on the rings that holds the scope on. It's a really nice scope. Let me pop this up. Hopefully you guys will be able to see this. I don't know if you'll be able to see in there or not. It's got like a green light reticle, and then it's got a red light. I don't know if you guys can see that. I hope you can. A red light. Hopefully you can see that. A red light. Oops, I pushed the wrong thing. And then I'm looking through the scope. For some reason it doesn't look like that blue light is showing up. It's got blue light, it's got a green, red, and blue. So anyway, turn this off. Okay, and I guess it's got like 1, 2, 3 for brightness for each one. For the red, let's see, green, red, and then blue. So anyway, let's put this down here. Grab a rifle. Put it over here. I still need to get her, oh, what the heck are they? I'm going to go get some Magpul pop-up sights for her. I don't know where anywhere to put these. I mean, I'm just sitting it on here for looks. Okay, and then the Raptor. Put that in there, that in there. Wow, that's nice. Ambidextrous Raptor charging handle. I think I got that on sale for like 80 some odd dollars. And then I need to get her nickel boron bolt carrier group. Boy, that thing is slick. And I guess it's called WMD is the name of it. Hopefully you guys can see that. WMD on the right here. But anyway, let's break this puppy down. Go up in there right. Oh, there we go. Okay. And you can charge it from, open it up from the left side or the right side, which is kind of cool. Let's see here. I thought that was supposed to stay open. Maybe not. Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm knocking everything down here now. I'm still waiting on my parts for my Dillon brass cleaner. Haven't received it yet. And well, looks like her AR's done. Now, do you want to hear the bad news? Would help with clicking, right? It's only a 10 round clip. But anyway, I think her rifle looks pretty sharp, pretty nice. The only thing is she don't like it. She went to a girlfriend's place and had shot a 300 blackout. And the 300 blackout was actually, it wasn't a rifle, it was a pistol. So it was only 11.5. It was only 11.5 inch barrel, and it was stainless steel. Like I said, it was 300 blackout, and her friend showed her how to use it. I guess it's got like a arm pad or something that comes over your forearm right here, and you're not allowed to bring it up to your shoulder because it's considered a pistol. But since they're on the farm down there and there's nobody else around for, I don't know, 20 or 30 miles, that she allowed her to use it. And anyhow, now she wants to get a, well, she was telling me that she wanted to get a pistol AR. So I took her to a place called Get Some Guns, and she had, she liked it. It was okay. It was, I think it was only like 888 bucks for this one pistol, which was really nice. I liked it. But Now she's thinking about not getting that. She wants to get what's called the Ruger LCR 9mm. So I guess we'll go from there. In the meantime, I guess I'll be stuck with her rifle for a little while, and then I gotta finish my rifle. What do I need for mine? Oh, I still need my bolt carrier group, my charging handle, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and buy me one of these. Buy a couple of these. I think I'll buy 3 more of these 10-round mags, and then 2 20-round mags. Get her a 20-round mag and me a 20-round mag, and then we'll go from there. So, like I said, it's not heavy. I mean, it's not real heavy. It's ready to rock and roll. So, you guys take care. I think I paid $189 for this bolt carrier group, and for the Raptor charging handle I paid 80 some odd dollars. I can't remember exactly what the total was. For the scope I paid $199.99 for it. It was normally I think $249 or $259. But anyway, thanks a lot, guys. Take care, and we'll talk to you later.